What's going on, fellas? 2017 Flawless Random Half Case number 1. Going live. Timestamp is 8:42. Already have the teams and the names in. We randomize both. Throw you in a spreadsheet wherever you line up. That's who you get. Dice, as always, has to be 4 or more. It is 11. 11 times on the teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Cardinals and Falcons, one of the combo teams on top. Jets and Ravens are the other combo teams, and the Browns on the bottom. NYEZQE is the code for the teams. Should only be 30 spots. There we go. Now let's do the names. Again, 4 more. 7 times on the names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Ralph on top. Rick Cisco on the bottom. JHWI looks like a TZ, I think. And that is who you have. There you go. And we are done. Get it in, 8:43. Come on, there it is. Boom, got it. Thanks, guys.